This is a video on mathematics for the students of class 9 and we were discussing about expansion. This is the third part of the video. Today the first sum that we'll be discussing is x minus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 5. Find x square plus y square. Now we know that we have to find the value of x square plus y square. So we know that it's in the power of 2 and here we have a single power number, that is x minus y is equal to 8. So if I square this equation on both the sides, so we can get x minus y whole square is equal to 8 square. The expansion of this will give us x square minus 2xy plus y square, which is 64. So we know the value of xy is 5, so you can put the value of 5 here, so it becomes 10. Here we have x square plus y square. This is minus 10. If I take it this side, it becomes plus 10. So x square plus y square is 74. Our next sum is a little similar to the first sum that we discussed. Here we had a single power numbers which we had to convert it into the power of 2, but here the powers are given and we have to find the single digit numbers. Now you can see that we know a square plus b square is equal to 13 and ab is given as 6. So if I start with the first one, if I square the numbers, so this is how our equation becomes a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if you put the values here, we know that a square plus b square is 13. So for a square and b square we can put 13 and ab is 6. So 2 into 6 gives us 12. So 13 plus 12 is 25. Remember we had to find a plus b, not a plus b whole square. 25 is equal to a plus b whole square. If I put root overs on the both the side, so a plus b will become 5. The second question will be done in the same way, a minus b. So you can find a minus b whole square, put the values of a square plus b square and then minus 2ab and your answer is 1. So a minus b whole square is root over 1. So a minus b will be 1. This is the second. Now third sum. X plus y is equal to 8 and xy is equal to 3 by 4. Find the values of x minus y, 3x square plus y square, 5x square plus y square plus 4x minus. Now we've been given the values of x plus y is equal to 8 and xy is 15 by 4. Now x plus y is equal to 8, we can write it as y is equal to 8 minus x, and we know the value of xy is 15 by 4. So if I put the value of y here, it becomes x into 8 minus x, which is equal to 15 by 4. Now if I multiply the terms, you get 8x minus x square, which is equal to 15 by 4. So you'll get 4x square minus 32x is equal to 15, and when you solve it, your answer is 15 by 2 or 1 by 2. Now 15 by 2 plus y we know is equal to 8 because x plus y is equal to 8. So value of y is 1 by 2. So we know that value of x is 15 by 2 and y is 1 by 2. Now similarly you can put these values in this equation. So x minus y, just put the respective values x and y, you'll get the answer. Similarly for x square plus y square, so we know the individual squares. So 15 by 2 whole square plus 1 by 2 whole square, you get this answer and your answer will be 339 by 2. Similarly for the third one also, 5x square plus y square minus 4x minus y. If you put the values, we found the values of x square and y square. Just put the values and you get this answer. So this is all. Let's move to the next question. This is the 15th question from your textbook. X plus 1 by x is equal to 4. Find the values of x square plus 1 by x square. Similarly, x to the power 4, x to the power 3 and x minus 1 by x. Now we know that we have x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. On squaring both the sides, you'll get what? Your power will become to x square. So if I square it, I get the power square. If I put a cube here, so I'll get x cube. So the formula will be a plus b whole cube. Here we'll be applying a plus b whole square. So if you put the value, so x square plus 2x, this x and this x gets cancelled, plus 1 by x square is equal to 16. So when you put the values, you get x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. Now for the second question, you see we have to find the power of 4. So we know that there's no formula like putting in the power of 4. So what we can do is, we know the value of x square plus 1 by x square is equal to 14. So if I square this number, the power, when the bases are same, powers are added. So x square into x square, so 2 plus 2 becomes 4. So if I square the x square plus 1 by x square, then we'll get x to the power 4. Similarly, x square and x square gets cancelled here. So you'll be left with x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 is equal to 94. Remember, you have to square it on both the sides. Similarly, like I told, you can do for x cube also. You can put x plus 1 by x to the power cube. That means cubing on both sides. Or I have done in an alternative method. We know the values of x square plus 1 by x square. Can put in here, and the question they have already given us x plus 1 by x. So you can multiply both the equation. So x square into x gives x cube. Then you have x square into 1 by x plus 1 by x square into x, the third one, and then 1 by x square into 1 by x gives you 1 by x cube. And I've multiplied, like I've multiplied both the questions here. Similarly, I've multiplied the numbers also. X square plus 1 by x square was 14. So it's here, and x plus 1 by x is 4. So I multiplied 14 into 4. Like I've multiplied the terms on both the sides, both on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side of the equal to. So then you're left with x cube plus 1 by x plus x plus 1 by x cube. Now according to the question, we know that x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. So put the value here. Since it's addition, if you take it to the right hand side of the equal to, it becomes your negative. So 56 minus 4 is equal to 52. Now even if you are using the formula of a plus b whole cube, you'll get the same answer. Okay, let's go to the last one, is x minus 1 by x. Now like we did in the previous sum, you can just square it, because we have the values of x square plus 1 by x square. So if I square it on both the sides, that means x minus 1 by x whole square, we get x square minus 2x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. Both the x gets cancelled. X square plus 1 by x square minus 2 is what is left with. So we know the value of x square plus 1 by x square is 14. So 14 minus 12 minus 2 is 12. Since we have to only find the value of x minus 1 by x, so you can just root over on both the sides. So you're left with 4, and I've just simplified it, because 12 can be simplified as 4 into 3. Square root of 4 is your 2. So 2 comes out, and then you are left with 3. So your answer will be x minus 1 by x is equal to 2 root 3. So this is all we have from the video today. In the next class, we'll be discussing the remaining portion of the sums in the exercise 3.2.